Are you ready for a new era of collaboration and creativity? It's already dawning, bringing a brilliant fusion of technology and tradition. Imagine generating artificial intelligence prompts as a team, right on your dry erase wall. A fascinating blend of the old and the new, isn't it? The act of writing on your dry erase wall not only unleashes creativity, but also boosts accountability and understanding. It's a canvas for your thoughts, a testament to your goals, and a roadmap to your ideas. But why dry erase walls? Well, they are superior media for aiding recall of data. The human brain is wired to remember visuals better than text. And what better way to visualize your ideas than on a wall that's always in sight? Always ready for your next big thought? Now, imagine combining this with the power of artificial intelligence. It's about constant vigilance, about being one step ahead, about capturing fleeting ideas and preserving them for posterity. However, the integration of AI and dry erase walls needs to be applied along with careful monitoring. It's not just about using these tools, but about using them effectively and efficiently. So, are you ready to take the leap? Are you ready to transform your space into a hub of creativity and collaboration? Make the call today at 800-936-2159 and speak with a friendly coding specialist. Learn how you can revolutionize your workspace, your learning environment, or even your home. If you prefer, visit www.remarkablecoding.com to explore more about this exciting fusion of technology and tradition. Dive into the new era of collaboration and creativity. You're just one call or one click away from transforming your world. The future is here. Embrace it.